Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to temporarily shut down your Shopify store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Shopify website right here, shopify.com, if you have not already. After opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here where you want to go ahead and log into your Shopify account where your store is. So after logging into your account, you will now be greeted by this home page right here where in the left side screen we can see all the sections we can access such as home, orders, products, and so on. And guys, to deactivate your store temporarily, what we want to do is go right here into the bottom left corner. Clicking the settings icon is going to open up this new menu, this settings menu where we can take a look at all the options we can access for editing our store such as general, plan, billing, and so on. And what we want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official plan section right here. Clicking on the plan section is going to open up this new plan settings menu where we can take a look at our plan settings and the plan we are currently using. So as you can see, currently I'm in my trial plan. If you want some other plans, they're going to be appearing right here with your premium plans. What you want to do guys to deactivate your store is just go ahead and click the cancel option. So if you cancel your plan guys or deactivate store, one of those options is going to appear right here. This is going to temporarily deactivate your store, and once you want to bring it back on, you'll just get a new plan, update your plan guys, and once you get your plan again, it's going to come back online and everybody will be able to access your store again. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.